The importance of northern plains. Northern plains are very important to our country because the soil of northern plains is very fertile and lot of crops grow there. Okay, and even the roadways and the railways are very good source of transportation because all the goods are transported from northern plains to all over India. Next we will see the life in northern plains. Now as you all know, there are many states present in the northern plains. First we will see Delhi. Now what is Delhi? Delhi is the capital of India, and in Delhi you can see that there are too many offices of Prime Minister and President. Rashtrapati Bhavan is also present in Delhi, and there are many monuments which are present in Delhi. Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Lotus Temple are all located in Delhi. Next we will come to Punjab and Haryana. The capital of Punjab and Haryana is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the common capital for Punjab and Haryana. And here most of the population is of the Sikh community. And they have a golden temple here. Okay, golden temple is located in Amritsar in Punjab. Okay, and here we have folk dances which are done in Punjab, that is Bhangra and Gidda. Bhangra and Gidda are the folk dances of Punjab. Okay, and the festivals they celebrate are Baisakhi, Holi and Diwali. And the languages spoken in Punjab and Haryana are Punjabi, Haryanvi and Hindi. Okay, and Lohri is celebrated by the people. Next we will go to Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Which is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow. And the languages spoken here are Hindi and Urdu. Hindi and Urdu. Here there is a place called Sangam. Okay, Sangam is a place where the two rivers meet. Okay, the two rivers meet. That place is known as Sangam, and that is a holy place for most of the Hindus. For example, one of the holy places is Prayag Raj. Okay, now this Sangam is a place where two rivers meet. Okay, that is the Ganga and Yamuna. These are the two rivers which meet in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, next we will go to Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna, and here the languages spoken are Hindi, Urdu and Maithili. Okay, Hindi, Urdu and Maithili. Okay, Chhath Puja. Chhath Puja is an important festival celebrated in Bihar. Nalanda and Bodh Gaya are places of historical importance. Nalanda and Bodh Gaya are the places of historical importance in Bihar. Okay. Next we will come to Jharkhand. Okay, the capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Which is the capital of Jharkhand? It is Ranchi. And here this land in Jharkhand is rich in minerals. Minerals like coal, iron, copper and aluminium ore. This place is very much important. Okay, because there are many minerals found here. And there is the largest industry of steel which is located in Bokaro. Okay, Bokaro is the largest steel industry of India which is present in Jharkhand. Okay, next we will go to West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. What is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata. And here the festival celebrated is Durga Puja, and the language they speak is Bengali. And This West Bengal is famous for sweets. Can you guess the sweet? Yes, Rasgulla and Sandesh. These are the two sweets. Your mouth is watering. Yes. So Rasgulla and Sandesh are the two sweets which are very popular in West Bengal. Next we will come to Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Okay, and this area, okay, capital of Assam is what? Dispur. Okay, this state is known for petroleum deposits. Okay, and the languages spoken here is Assamese, and they celebrate Bihu. And there is one more very important thing here. Okay, that is Muga silk. Okay, Muga silk is also made in Assam. Okay, that is used in making saris. Yes. So today you have come to know the life in northern plains. So you have learnt in this lesson life in northern plains. Yes, here you can find the places like Delhi, Punjab and Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, then Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Assam. All these states come under northern plains. Thank you.